so many different rock pools.
Why are we looking at rock pools? It's just water and sand.
Rock pools appear when the tide goes out. They're a shallow pool of seawater and home to lots of fascinating marine life.
I think they're a little bit boring.
Come and have a look.
I can't see anything.
Beautiful, isn't it? What we have here is a unique environment. Plant life that needs shallow water to be near the sun and that can cope with the tides coming in and going all the way back out again.
It's a tiny underwater world.
Exactly. Remember though, we can look but not touch and watch where we put our feet.
Whoops.
I guess that is kind of cool. Whoa!
That's a velvet swimming crab.
It's got paddles.
That's what makes this crab special. The paddles help it to swim around the rock pools.
I didn't know crabs could swim.
Life in miniature.
There's a fish.
Oh yeah!
That is a blenny. They can jump from rock pool to rock pool when the tide goes out in order to get back to the sea.